Okay, we have another problem here where they tell us we have a 90% confidence level. Our sample size is 67. Our X bar or mean is 44.8. And our sample standard deviation is little s is 11.3. So we don't know our sigma. We don't know our population standard deviation. We only know the sample standard deviation, so we're going to use that T table that I gave you, okay? So they want us to find this. They want us to find the range of numbers that the population mean is likely to fall between. So we got to use this right here to find it. But, we got X bar. We know it's 44.8. We don't know what E is. Oh, here's the formula for E. So we got to figure out, I think, what T alpha over 2 is. So T alpha over 2 for a 90% confidence level. So you take out that table and you go to the column that has 90% confidence level at top. The top is the second from the last column. And let's see, our n is 67. So our degrees of freedom is 67 minus 1. It's 66. So you go down and you go, oh man, there's no 66 there. There's a 60, there's a 65, and there's a 70. So what should I do? I'm going to use the closest thing. I'm going to use a 65. So you go to the row that says 65, and you go to the column that has 90% at top. And I think you get 1.669 from the table. So your T alpha over 2 equals 1.669. Okay? That's the hardest thing for the problem, I think. So let's figure out the E then. The E is equal to that 1.669 times S, which they gave us is 11.3 over the square root of N, which is the square root of 67. So when I did that on my calculator, I got 2.304. Okay? So then this is just like all the other problems we've been doing all along. To find the confidence interval, you just do the X bar minus the E and the X bar plus the E. So X bar is 44.8 minus 2.304, and it's 44.8 plus 2.304. Right? So I think they asked you to round it to one decimal point. I got 42.5 to 47.1. That's what I got for my confidence interval. That's what we think that the population mean is going to fall between those two values given this information that they gave us. I hope that helps.